dimension SOLIDWORKS. They are located on the panel Sketch. A drop-down menu Smart Dimension. By activating the command specific dimensioned object to enter letter and characters values. Also during dimension is possible to change not only numerical value of the size and configuration of the graphic primitives. 15. We'll look in change. Change the field content tolerance, precision, initial value and size of the text. Leaders and other. The angular size placed similarly. Maybe some that and that line we have angular size. Pretty. To Apple ordinate dimension. Set the 0 point and other point. Grabbing and holding the paint to create slanted dimension. Grabbing and holding